front desk. How can I help you?
Hello, front desk. What kind of guests are you people accepting into this place? Did you check in earlier yesterday?
No.
No. I mean, did you check in the people that acted that movie Transformer like Optimus Prime? It was here?
No.
It was not here. So what kind of strange noise am I hearing from this other room? Last night I could not
Strange
sleep.
noise?
Yes, strange noise. They were making all sorts of noise. I think he brought a girl. He brought a girl and they were doing faka fiki fiki faka faka
What
fiki.
do they sound like?
Skitty keep pop pop and the poop poop boom skia boom 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 boom.
I could not sleep. I had to bring out my Bible and I started reading. I opened my Bible. I was saying, yes. Yes, yeah.
Sir, what you want?
Because of this inconvenience, I want to stay for free for another day because you know your bed is very succulent. Just give me one extra stay.
That'll be
For free,
$250.
one money. I don't have money.
Nobody got time for that.
Hello? Hello, front desk. You hang up on me. Thunder will fire you. Oshisko.
You get me? Man's not hot. I tell him man's not hot. I tell him man's not hot.